Hi guys, this is your Dr. Jeffrey Santiago at ngayon sasagot tayo ng comments. This is from Roberto. Doc, ano pong masasabi nyo sa apple cider vinegar gummies? So sige, pag-usapan natin ngayon kung meron nga bang health benefits o wala yung apple cider vinegar or gummies. Unang-una sa lahat, saan nga ba galing yung apple cider? Ako hula ko sa apple. Kayo tingin nyo. So, dinudurog yung apples at yung katas nito ay fine-ferment. Nagkakaroon ng alcoholic fermentation and yung apple sugars ay na-convert into alcohol and acetic acid. Hence, cider. Pero don't worry kasi based from my readings, yung alcohol ay nag-evaporate na pag iniinitan yung apple cider to kill bacteria for longer storage, kaya non-alcoholic na rin siya. So, diretso na tayo kung may benefits nga ba to o wala. Sabi kasi nung iba, nakakapagpababa daw ng sugar, nakakapagpapayat, nakakapagpababa ng cholesterol, nakakalusaw ng belly fats, at kung ano-ano pa. Based from a recent study done by Sahar Terani et al. Last 2023, a clinical trial was done to 1,320 adults. And their conclusion, their meta-analysis showed that consumption of apple cider vinegar has a favorable effect of decreasing cardiometabolic risk factors such as fasting blood sugar, HbA1c, and total cholesterol. Take note po ha, na yung mga naka-enroll sa studies na to ay binigyan ng calorie restrictions na naaayon sa kanilang edad, height, at weight. Binigyan po sila ng proper healthy meal aside from apple cider vinegar. Backed up ito ng studies ni Amir Hadi et al. At Sima Jafarirad et al. With their research conclusions that a significant favorable effect was seen after consumption of apple cider vinegar on fasting plasma levels and blood lipids, especially with diabetes type 2. Pero bakit? Ano yung dahilan? Ano yung mekanismo sa likod ng apple cider vinegar na nakatulong magpababa ng sugars at cholesterol ng mga pasyenteng naka-enroll dun sa research na ginawa? Based from randomized studies conducted last 2015 up to the present, apple cider consumption improves body absorption of blood sugar and increases insulin sensitivity by improving metabolism and absorption. Yung acetic acid ng apple cider, ini-improve niya o mas pinapabilis yung metabolism at yung insulin sensitivity, making our blood sugar levels stable. Kaya nagdi-decrease yung cravings. Pag kasi madaming sugar sa ating katawan, tumataas yung insulin. Pag mataas yung insulin tapos wala ng sugar, magke-crave tayo sa matatamis, kaya tataas yung ating calorie intake. Kaya naman napakahalaga na stable yung ating blood sugar levels. Based from my readings, yung mga bacteria din po na nakukuha natin sa apple cider dahil sa kanilang fermentation ay nakakatulong sa ating gut health. Ulitin ko po ulit, pwedeng gamitin ito pero dapat ay may proper calorie intake at exercise. Nakakasira din po ng enamel ang apple cider, kaya po siguro may mga naimbento na apple cider gummies or capsules.